sketch a plane curve. Well, first, what do we mean by parametric equations? What are they? What is a parameter? Remember, when both x and y depend on a third variable, that variable is called a parameter. And the equations which show x is a function of t and y is a function of t, those are the parametric equations. So in order to sketch the plane curve, we need to find the values of x and y, because in the end, that's what goes on the xy coordinate plane. We need to know the coordinates. You can make yourself a table of values, or usually if you get this kind of a problem, it's going to tell you, like, you use the t values from 0 to 5. So you would make yourself a table. Right, with t, x, and y. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now, you could either plug in one at a time and figure them out, or you could use the calculator to come up with those values. Remember, how do you use your calculator to do parametric equations? Okay, you got to, in the calculator, you have to go to the mode. It's normally set on function, this one right here. You have to set it on PAR for parametric. And when you do that, when you go to the y equals, now it looks a little different, right? It's given you a place for the x and the y, both as functions of t, right? How do I put in 2t plus 1 there? 2, where's the t? It's on the x button, right? Now, because we changed the mode, it's no longer going to show us x. It's going to show us t when we do that. If you look closely, that's what it says, x comma t. So, once you've got it set 2t plus 1 and t squared, then you could go to the table of values and pick those right there, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And then this one would be 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So fill in your table of values and plot. If you look at I did use the calculator and put my graph in, and it looks something like that. What happened there? And it looks something like that. Would that be adequate for a graph of parametric equations? No. What's it missing? It needs some arrows that indicate the direction. The direction that this graph was formed as the t values increase. That's what makes this thing a plane curve. So you would have to draw yourself your graph, right? And you could make your scale appropriate to the problem, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then plot your points, 1, 0, 3, 1, 5, 4, 7, 9, 9, 16, and 11, 25. Sketch the graph or connect those up with a curve and then put arrows to show that's the direction the graph was going as t increased. That's what we mean by plane curves. Not just the location of the graph, but the arrows that show direction.